In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to your Wix site. Whether you're looking to engage your audience with interactive content or simply provide a fun distraction for visitors, adding games can be a fantastic enhancement to your website. So, let's dive into the steps together and explore how you can easily incorporate games into your Wix site. First, you'll want to open your Wix site in the editor or the studio. This is the hub where most of your website's customization happens, allowing you to make visual adjustments and add new features. Once your site is open in Wix Editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. The editor is designed to be intuitive, so you should be able to find your way around pretty easily. Now, direct your attention to the Add Apps section, commonly referred to as the App Market. You might find it located on the left-hand menu. The App Market is the treasure trove of all the tools and features you can integrate into your website. It's worth considering what types of games would best engage your audience. Are they visiting your site for leisure, or are they looking for something more educational or informative? Having a clear idea could guide your choices. Next, you'll want to search for games. You can type keywords like games, quiz, or pop-up games into the search bar to see what's available. The search function is powerful, allowing you to explore a variety of game apps that suit different preferences and site themes. For example, you might come across options like pop-up games, puzzle games, or even a spin wheel. Each one will have its unique style and type of engagement, so take your time to review the specifics that each game app offers. Once you've found a game app that captures your interest, it's time to add it to your site. Click on the app to get more information about it. Usually you'll have access to descriptions, reviews, and images that give you a sense of how the game might look and function on your site. When you're convinced that you've found the right fit, click on Add to Site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can transform your website into an interactive platform that keeps your audience engaged and intrigued. Remember, the addition of games is not just about entertainment, it's about creating an immersive and memorable experience for your visitors. Take a moment to preview the game on your site and make sure it aligns well with your overall theme. If necessary, you can always go back and try a different game or make adjustments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for enhancing your Wix site with games.